Hi, welcome to Physics Teacher. In this grade 11 chemistry tutorial, I am going to go over how to calculate the partial pressures of gases. So stay tuned as I'll be right back after my intro. Alright, so this is the example we're going to look at. So let's imagine this is one big balloon, and in it we have three different types of gases. Now I've just represented those gases as blue squares, red triangles, and green circles, but you could think of them as hydrogen, helium, and neon, for example. Now what we're going to do first is count the total number of particles we have inside of our balloon. So we would count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we just count them all, and we're going to have 20 particles inside, a total. Now what we want to do is count how many of each gas we have. So how many blue squares do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 blue squares. And then we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red triangles, and a total of 10 green circles. Now this could be a basic math problem where I were to ask you what percentages of all of these shapes are blue squares. Now if you wanted to do that, you would just take blue squares, so 5 blue squares, just going to write blue, and divide it by the total number of particles, 20 total. And that gives you a value of 0.25 or 25%. So you can say 25% of the particles in this balloon are blue squares. Now we can do the same thing for red triangles. So we have 5 red triangles over a total of 20 total particles, which gives us again 0.25 or 25%. And lastly, our green circles, we have 10 green circles over a total of 20 particles in total, and that gives us 0.5 or 50%. So those are the percentages of the gases inside of our balloon. Now if we were to take something and measure the total pressure due to all these gases in the balloon, let's say it's 100 kilopascals, or pick something nice and easy. That's the total pressures. So total pressure in our example, which is information we would be given, is 100 kilopascals. Now 25% of that is due to blue squares, 25% is due to red triangles, and 50% is due to the green circles. So you might be able to see from this example that 25% of 100, which we can just calculate by taking 100 kilopascals and multiplying by 25%, or 0.25, gives us 25 kilopascals. So the partial pressure of our blue squares gas is 25 kilopascals. We can do the same thing for our red triangles, which is the same percentage, so we'll get 25 kilopascals. And we can do the same thing for our green circles, which is 50%, or 50% of 100 is 50, or 100 kilopascals times 0.5, or 50% is 50 kilopascals. So this is where Dalton's law of partial pressures come in. You'll notice that the total of all the partial pressures, so 25, 25, and 50, if you sum all those partial pressures, you get your total pressure. I hope this video helped you understand partial pressures a little better. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you want to support more videos, please subscribe.